Hello everyone. Now today I'm coming live to discuss with you how you should revise AFM in that last 1.5 day slot that is available with you. And friends, this video is very important. This will actually give you the right guidance as to how you can go ahead, write the exam and score the best marks in AFM. So please do like this video if this helps you and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's go to this AFM revision. Before AFM, we have an atom bomb paper, which is that one, FR, financial reporting. So many a times what happens is, FR being the first paper, institute sometimes plays mind games. How do they do these mind games? They will go and check how you react to stress. So they might make your FR paper a little bit tough. And what happens is, whenever your FR paper becomes tough, by default, students might lose their confidence. And that energy drain affects AFM. But in most of those cases, AFM paper is actually made very easy. So first and foremost, important rule for all of you to absorb is that please do not carry forward all the tensions and stress of the FR exam to the AFM exam. And friends, in order to make that happen, I will be also announcing it through another video. I will be coming live after your FR exam evening somewhere around 7 p.m. and I will sit with you and I will be there with you till night 12 a.m. in which I will help you to revise the entire Forex in that one day itself. By doing so, you get double advantage. Advantage number one that you get is that FR, even though you are stressed out, if you sit alone and you study, you may not be able to prepare. But because I'll be taking class along with me, you will learn and go forward. Second and the most important thing is that you will be swallowing the big frog. That is the major chunk of Forex will get over along with me itself. By doing so, once you are done with Forex, then you go forward and next day after sleeping, when your stress levels are much better, you can focus on the other topics. So now I will again go and give you the same plan of that 1.5 day. So after FR exam gets over, preferably come back home, take a 30 minutes power nap. Very crucial. Why power nap? Because you're drained with your FR exam, your brain is exhausted. If you sleep for 30 minutes, just lie down, close your eyes, your brain will be rejuvenated. All right. Then have some good food, have a good cup of tea. And after that, by 7 p.m., keep yourself free and ready. I will go live and we will do Forex. So 7 p.m. to 12 a.m., 5 hours, we will sit together, we will study together and we will conquer FR together. All right. It might be 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. I'll announce it very soon. So just stay tuned to my announcement and be subscribed to my YouTube channel. After this gets over, get some good sleep. Sleep at least for 6 hours to 7 hours. I strongly recommend 7 hours because you might psychologically feel that by sleeping less, you can study more. But understand that you can never prepare well, remember well with an exhausted mind. Your mind has to be absolutely fresh. Your mind should be in a position to crack questions. So I request you all, get 7 hours of sleep. That 1 hour of sleep extra you take the time out from your social media time. So that way you will not find it very much pressuresome also. And the next day, that is the day one of the day, you have to cover topics in a way that you get more marks in less time. Now, how do you get more marks in less time? You need to start with security valuation. If you are my regular batch student or if you are my crash student, you will know that this is the chapter order that I also follow in my class so that in less time you score maximum marks. Security valuation, you can revise it in around 2 hours. Just scribble and solve. You will not have time to, work out the whole thing. Just scribble and solve. After security evaluation, you can go and do the easy topic of value at risk and security analysis. Problem part. Okay. Theory will keep it to the last day. I'll explain to you how that will work out. Okay. Security analysis and value at risk. So this should not take more than 1 hour, max to max 1 hour for this topic. Once this is over, you can go to the next topic that will be mutual funds. Another easy topic. It will not take you more than 1.5 hours to complete this chapter and learn the concepts, scribble and solve all the problems. Followed by mergers and business valuation. This might take around 3 hours of time. Okay, so keep that kind of time. So now how many times have you spent from the morning, friends? Let's say you start studying by 8 o'clock because at night you're sleeping by 12, you wake up at 7, you get fresh, and by 8, even if you start, 2, 1, 3, that is 3, 6, 7.5 hours are gone. So from 8 o'clock, if you are counting around 7.5 hours with another 1 hour of break, you will complete all this by evening around 5 p.m. Friends, the biggest advantage that you get by doing all this up to 5 p.m. is that these topics actually come, mandatorily will come in the exam, and this will actually be 60% of the marks of what you're going to do. Plus another 10% you have already covered the previous day. So by doing so, you are reached a point where you have actually covered a major chunk of the syllabus with only limited parts that are left for the upcoming session after 5 p.m. 5 p.m. again take a power nap. Your exam time gets over at 5 p.m. So once the time gets over, take a power nap because that will help you to rejuvenate for the next session. After which you are supposed to focus on two topics then. One should be portfolio management. This will take around 3 hours. All right. And advanced capital budgeting. That is not a very, very difficult topic. Max to max 2 hours. So by night 11 p.m. you should be able to complete these two things also, or maybe max to max you can take it up to 12 o'clock. So friends, this one day will be the time when you are actually covering all the other important chunk. And friends, please go through the ODBE book only. What is the full form of ODBE book? One day before the examination. That book covers limited number of questions which give you maximum exposure. That book has helped many students to score exemption because they were able to revise lot of things in less time, and that is very, very important from the upcoming examination point of view, friends. Once you're done with this part, get some good sleep again. Do not compromise on your sleep, and if possible, friends, my request, try spending 30 minutes for some rejuvenation, like go for running, skipping, dancing, anything. Just rejuvenate. Your brain needs that rest time also over there. All right, take a 20 minutes of running followed by a hot chocolate milk. That will do wonders to you, friends. I'm in fact about to talk about that in a different video as to how exercise can keep your stress in control and how it can help you to get the best marks in the upcoming examination. All right. Now the last day, let's say you're starting in the morning at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. you should do derivatives. Now why derivatives in the morning? Because after you sleep and you wake up, your brain is fresh. Your brain is ready to handle something heavy. So derivatives gets over in this 3 hours. In this 3 hours, you will do futures, options, and interest rate derivatives. Once you are done with this, 11 o'clock, you are done with all the topics. Stop doing any more problems. You should not go to the examination hall with a roasted mind. Stop doing all the problems. After 11 a.m. to let us say 1 p.m., you have 2 hours time when you can revise all the theory chapters. If you want to, get the theory marathon, which I have done, that PPT is well made, short and compressed. You can always, contact me. I can share all the details with you. So with the theory, in 2 hours, you can finish off the full theory. It's very easy. It's not very difficult. You do that. 2 o'clock, you will reach the examination hall and you can sit and write your exam peacefully. Now, once you prepare like this, in less time, you will be able to get the best out of this. And trust me, friends, if you follow this agenda properly, you are using multiple techniques. Technique number one, many other students after the FR exam, they get stressed out. You are being with me. So I'll be supporting you. So along with that mutual support, that day's negativity, what many others will face, you will not be facing that. Technique number two, in day number one, the most important day, we are covering topics in the order where you get maximum marks in less time. So worst scenario, you are not able to revise derivatives. It's fine. You are losing around 10 marks, but you still cover remaining 80% of the marks, which is very, very important from the upcoming exam point of view. Derivatives also, ideally, if your revision goes as per the plan, you sleep, you get up and then you do it. After you wake up from your sleep, your brain's logic power is at the maximum. At that time, when you do derivatives, you get the best results from the examination point of view also. So with this preparation, when you go to the examination hall, you will be able to do wonders and you will be able to do the best. Not only that, friends, I'm going to take another video now in which I'll tell you how to spend the time 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. in the examination hall. All the very best for your exams, friends. I am with you. Let's study together. Let's win together.